When two black holes meet, it is not just a collision. It becomes one of the most powerful events in the universe. In space, two black holes can become trapped in each other's gravity and begin orbiting around one another at incredible speeds. With every orbit, the distance between them becomes smaller. This process is known as a black hole merger. As they move closer, their speed increases dramatically, and they begin to generate powerful gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of space-time. Eventually, the two black holes collide and merge into a single, larger black hole. During this collision, an enormous amount of energy is released for a few seconds, more energy than billions of stars combined can produce. The gravitational waves created by this event can travel across billions of light years through space. By the time they reach Earth, their effect is extremely tiny, but they can still be detected by instruments like LIGO. This means that even a faint ripple from a black hole collision that happened billions of light years away can still be measured here on Earth.